Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap South San Jose Hills local and long-distance movers near me. We make sure your long-distance move occurs on schedule, free from stress. We help you relocate to the next state over or all the way across the nation. With us, you receive all the right moving services to make moving a lot simpler. We handle all of the important moving options, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It may not be very easy to reconcile the cost of hiring a California moving company. A closer look at the benefits you receive from a local moving company may help you realize why it's a smart decision. Any good moving company will help you save time on your local move. It will also keep you from having to handle heavy lifting. Our crew of qualified movers will definitely make sure your move is very efficient. When moving with a local company such as 3 Movers, you receive a more efficient approach for moving day. We can even complete the biggest moves in only a couple of hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our South San Jose Hills moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.